Come on, get up here. Yeah.
Girl.
Yeah.
Is it stinky? Hi. Hi. You need a bath. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are back here at our house in Nashville. We decided to bring you guys along when we went to Panama City Beach, 30A area in Florida. My in-laws have a couple of rental properties down there, so we thought it'd be fun to bring y'all along, take you to some of our favorite places to hang out and eat and drink. I think in the future, we're probably gonna do some kind of house tour of their properties, because you're more than welcome to rent them out for yourself or your family. If you're ever interested, my mother-in-law, Debbie, did a fabulous job decorating. But yeah, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, click subscribe. It really helps me with viewership on my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, let's jump on in. Well, y'all, I didn't really get to go work out this week at all. So I just got up and I'm here at the gym. We're gonna try and get some workout in. Maybe run on the beach, do some sprints. We'll see, I don't know. But look, she empty, she's little. Yay, okay, let's work out. I'm back from the gym. Sorry, I'm like still reeling. Best freaking donuts in Panama City Beach if you're here in the season that they have them. Now, my favorites are the old fashioned and the cinnamon sugar. But anyways, screenshot this. Bomb.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on.
We just got ready for lunch and we're just gonna go to this cute little part near Panama City Beach called Alys Beach. It's where Rosemary and Alice and Seaside and all these different places are. It's really beautiful. It's kind of bougie. We're gonna go have some lunch, walk around. I've got just like a simple little outfit on. You can't really see it. But yeah, let's go.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, 'cause I don't feel the need no more, no. just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, we had its time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why
So this is down on Seacrest Beach, 30A. We're like right in Rosemary area. We're shopping. The Mexican place we were just at is like right over there. You know, I was telling my in-laws how much serotonin I didn't realize I was needing coming down here with all the sun, and just how freaking warm it is. Turn around, look at this. It's a really pretty pot. I love that. This is really cool. This whole structure. So cute. You can see all the bikes everywhere. It's so cute in here and expensive. That the blue is so pretty on you. Cute little boutique right over in like Rosemary, Alys Beach. That cute little skirt. So freaking cute. Look at this dress. Like a baby shower with a bump. Love it. Wow. It's gorgeous.
These windows.
Wow.
Look at those garage doors.
I know.
All concrete, all time. That's poured concrete.
Wow.
We could go in these someday, not on the weekend.
Streets I'm talking about right here.
Right
Wow.
See that doorway?
Right here, honey?
That just says, hey, I've got some wealth.
Yeah, it
Be
does.
afraid of me.
Kind of like a,
Look at the gate.
it's like a mausoleum entrance or something.
I love that style.
I feel like it's kind of jarring.
Look at those big pots.
That's
Looks like a church.
beautiful. Yeah.
Those are rain chains. That's how we had at the display the other day.
I love these.
We like to come and see the real estate.
All over my voice.
Beautiful.
wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best.
That one was dark. Yeah, it was. Remember the next one with Copper Pot? With the penguin? Second one with the penguin?
Who played it?
Danny.
Yeah, Danny DeVito.
Oh, yeah.
Couldn't be dark with him.
I love how they're like trying to get the room from there, and he's got that bucket. Dad just got a plate of fries.
Fish tacos.
I think that was right. No, he didn't. The lights make a difference.
Here's all the people.
On YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Tell them what we're doing.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
I don't even know what we're doing. We're gonna go get breakfast. We'll probably go to the beach and wrestle in the sand. And I guess we'll go look at golf carts.
We're gonna what?
Not necessarily in that order.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go wrestle in the sand first, and then when we go look at golf carts, we'll be covered in sand and we can get it all over the store.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna go get breakfast.
No, breakfast is a priority. The other stuff may or may not happen.
It's all up in the air. We have to go back tonight. Not looking forward to it.
No.
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
Beach. It's great.
It was great.
You don't look sunburned.
I'm not. We were only there for like 30 minutes. I'm having to record everything because Allison can't do it properly the first time. Pretty good. Ew. Good.